teacher has asked the students to draw any picture from their imagination in Tux Paint. Rasha has drawn the one given below. Can you draw the same picture? First of all, to open Tux Paint, double-click on the Tux Paint icon on the desktop. The title screen appears. Now press any key to get the main screen. Now, click on the New button. Once the list of background and starter images appears, double-click on the white background. Draw the outline of a tree using the Paint tool. Before we move on, can you answer this question? Fill in the blanks and then click the Submit button. Yes, that's correct. To draw freehand in Tux Paint, you can use either the Paint tool or the Brushes tool. Now draw the outline of a hut using the Lines tool. Then use the Shapes tool to draw the sun. Now click on the Magic tool. In the Selector section, scroll down to click on the Grass tool to draw grass in the picture. Now use the Flower tool to draw flowers in the picture. Then, to fill colors in the tree, hut and sun, click on the Fill tool. Finally, draw a line in the middle of the picture and fill the part above in blue and the part below in green. Click on the Save tool. Your picture has been saved. So, does your picture look like the one made by Rasha? It doesn't? Never mind. Save it as your drawing and make lots more in Tux. Have fun!